A wide shot reveals a once grand garden, now a desolate wasteland, choked by rampant weeds and scattered broken pots. A rusty, forgotten spade leans against a crumbling wall, a silent testament to years of neglect in the heavy air. Elara, determined yet weary, stands at the garden's edge, clutching a small bag of seeds. Her eyes, a mix of apprehension and nascent hope, survey the daunting task before her. Elara, hands caked with soil, meticulously pulls weeds, her focused gaze reflecting deep resolve. She carefully plants tiny seeds, watering them with a gentle hand, nurturing the nascent life. The sun rises and sets, marking the passage of weeks, her tired face etched with quiet satisfaction. Small, vibrant sprouts emerge from the earth, a testament to her unwavering dedication. The harsh daylight softens into golden hour, casting a warm glow on Elara's slow but steady progress. The once barren garden explodes with a riot of vibrant colors and lush greenery under the warm sun. Bees hum, a sweet melody, as they dance among fragrant blossoms, their tiny bodies dusted with pollen. Butterflies with iridescent wings flit gracefully from one flower to another, painting the air with movement. The gentle rustling of leaves and the sweet scent of blooms fill the air, creating a symphony of nature. Elara sits on a newly placed bench, a peaceful smile gracing her face as she gazes at her flourishing creation. Her eyes, once weary, now sparkle with delight and profound satisfaction, reflecting the garden's unexpected beauty.